Hello and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover euro dollar, speak about Bitcoin, uh, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with the euro versus US dollar first. So what we can see here is that we have quite a big rejection of our moving averages in the daily and the weekly time frame. So yes, there was quite a big pin bar and tail, and we can see potential rotation down towards support again, which is around 1.0670 mark. Now we can see here that we had this reaction up, but now we are trying to take and make a new low. What we can apply here is a Fibonacci expansion, for example, tool. We can take this recent swing high, swing low, and swing high, and we can see the Fibonacci projections 100% at 1.0690, and then 161.8 around 1.0660 mark. So I see potential for the downside continuation, rejections from the daily and weekly resistance levels, and the nice projection of the hourly time frame building lower highs and lower lows. So there is a potential for this further downside movement in the euro dollar. Speaking of the Bitcoin, there was also rejection of the declining 20-day moving average, quite a close of the high near the low. And I see potential for the downside rotation. So there is a chance that basically that this movement that happened here, this can be just a small ABC. And let's just place the Fibonacci expansion tool here. I can see that it was exactly around 100% expansion at this point. If you like Fibonacci work, so we can also do the Fibonacci retracement from this major swing high, and I can see that was about 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. So this is this rejection around 64,000 mark. This is quite a big important short-term resistance level, and we have quite a good reaction from there, and I do see potential for the downside continuation towards 60,000 mark and 58,600 mark. So pay attention for the downside continuation. Now, on the dollar index, we can see here rejection of the rising 20-day moving average, which is a very good sign for the further upside movement, and nothing really changed at this point. So I see potential for the rally towards 106.50 on the dollar index, which will definitely affect also Bitcoin to go to trade lower, eventually euro dollar to trade lower, and gold market. So on the gold market situation is still we have a multi-week consolidation and support at 2,290 and resistance around 2,393. But eventual downside breakout and hold below this support can be at the beginning and confirmation for the bigger drop towards 2,166 eventually. So we'll see. So I'm waiting for the potential breakout of this multi-week consolidation or to confirm further direction. On the crude oil, there is a breakout, so this can be actually quite interesting for the further upside movement. And the next upside reference point is set at 85.15, and then we have an 86 mark, so that will be a next upside objective. So far, on the hourly time frame, just a normal consolidation pullback after the initial upside movement from yesterday and the breakout. So weekly time frame, we're building higher highs and higher lows, so we have a short-term upside environment. And on the NASDAQ, we have pretty much consolidation. So we have a support around 19,500 and a resistance around 20,122. On the weekly time frame, we have a 2-week consolidation. You can see here, if we can break like 19,500 and hold below, there will be a potential for potential drop towards 18,000, let's say towards 19,000 mark or even 18,600 mark. So pay attention to this consolidation and what potential breakout. That'll be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.